Active brake assist, which is included as standard, warns an inattentive driver if there is an impending danger of a collision with vehicles and crossing pedestrians, helps to prevent an accident, and if necessary intervenes with autonomous braking. When the system's radar detects the danger of a collision with a vehicle ahead, it first reacts with a visual and acoustic warning. If the driver then operates the brake pedal, active brake assist applies the most effective brake pressure, even if the pedal pressure is too weak, both in a speed range of up to 250 km per hour. Braking assistance can be increased right up to full emergency braking. If there is no driver reaction, the system initiates autonomous braking at speeds up to 200 km per hour. Up to 60 km per hour, active brake assist as standard also reacts to stationary vehicles and crossing pedestrians in the danger area in front of the vehicle and is therefore able to avoid accidents at typical urban speeds by autonomous braking or mitigate their severity.
Mercedes-Benz, the best or nothing.